So over here, you can see that I have a remote desktop opened up. And let's say, for example, I want to communicate with the other user on, let's say, for example, focusing on this exact icon. In that case, I can actually utilize something called the whiteboard feature. So as the remote desktop is connected, you can go around over here onto whiteboard. And over here, you can see that you can go ahead and then go for the control. So this is by default what you have. But apart from that, you can also go for pen. And as you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can simply go ahead and click and draw right here. And it will show up that particular drawing in the other person's view as well. So you can go ahead and draw out something. And let's say, for example, go ahead and tell them that this is something right here. Similarly, you got the line tool as well, so you can simply go ahead and drag out a line, and the remote mouse right here drags out a line, as you can see. Similarly, you can go ahead and make out a rectangle, or go ahead and make an enclosed rectangle just like this as well. You can go ahead and make out a circle or enclosed circle, as you can see right here. And you can even go ahead and make an arrow, as you can see right here, just like this. You can even go ahead and then click and drag to erase out the shapes that you have right here. And you also have an option to erase all. So by default, whatever you draw right here using the whiteboard option, it draws in red because that is the color that you choose. But you can actually go ahead and choose another color like yellow, let's say for instance. And then if you were to draw out anything now, or let's say, for example, utilize the pen to draw right here just like this, then what happens is that it uses that particular color now. So that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize the whiteboard feature inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.